Are you looking to level up your skincare game with some of the best J-beauty products? Japan's skincare industry is known for its commitment to quality, precision, and using natural ingredients to deliver impressive results. In today's video, we're diving into 5 standout J-beauty products that could transform your skincare routine. From hydrating toners to luxurious creams, these products are perfect for anyone looking to simplify their regimen while achieving radiant skin. Let's get started with the best of J-beauty. Kicking off our list at number 1, Sekkisei Lotion. The Sekkisei Lotion is a cult favorite hydrating toner known for its brightening and soothing effects on the skin. This product is a cornerstone in Japanese skincare, combining traditional Japanese ingredients like Kose and Muji extract with modern skin technology. It's designed to hydrate, brighten, and refine skin texture, leaving your skin looking fresh and dewy. A must-have for anyone with dull or uneven skin tone, this toner helps rejuvenate the skin while preparing it for further treatments in your skincare routine. Key features: the Sekkisei Lotion stands out due to its unique blend of Japanese herbal ingredients, including koike seed extract, Muji, and angelica root extract. These natural extracts work synergistically to provide both hydrating and skin brightening properties. The lotion also contains rice bran and barley extracts, which are rich in antioxidants that protect and nourish the skin. The formula is alcohol-free, ensuring it's suitable for sensitive skin, while its lightweight texture makes it easy to layer with other products. Benefits and usage: this hydrating lotion provides multiple skin benefits, including brightening dull skin, reducing dark spots, and enhancing overall skin texture. The high hydration levels help skin feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. To use, apply after cleansing by gently patting the lotion into your skin using your palms or a cotton pad. For optimal results, use it in the morning and night before applying serums or moisturizers. Its refreshing properties make it ideal for daily use, giving your skin a healthy glow. Usability: the Sekkisei Lotion is lightweight and easy to apply. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue, and can be layered easily with other skincare products. It's suitable for most skin types, including normal, dry, and combination skin, as its gentle formula provides deep hydration without causing irritation. The product's subtle fragrance adds to the luxurious experience, though it's light enough not to interfere with other skincare products or makeup. Durability: this lotion is not only effective but also long-lasting. It helps maintain hydration and skin clarity for hours after application. With regular use, the brightening and hydrating effects become more noticeable, leaving you with smoother, brighter, and healthier-looking skin. Its generous size ensures that you get excellent value, as a little goes a long way. Even with daily usage, one bottle can last for months, making it a long-term investment in your skincare routine. In the second spot, we have Muji Light Toning Water. Muji is known for its simple yet effective approach to skincare, and the Muji Light Toning Water is no exception. This refreshing toner is designed to hydrate and balance the skin, leaving it feeling soft and clean without the use of unnecessary additives. Packed with natural ingredients, this toner works gently to refine the skin's texture while restoring moisture. It's particularly great for those with sensitive or dry skin, as it helps maintain the skin's natural pH balance without causing irritation. Key features: Muji Light Toning Water is formulated with a minimalistic approach, using only essential ingredients. It's enriched with water from the Japanese Alps, which is known for its purity and skin-friendly minerals. The toner is free from alcohol, fragrances, and colorants, making it ideal for sensitive skin. With its hydrating properties, it helps to restore moisture to the skin while balancing oil production, providing a smooth and refreshed complexion without being too heavy or greasy. Benefits and usage: this toner hydrates and refreshes the skin, leaving it plump and smooth. It helps to balance the skin's moisture levels, making it ideal for those with dry or dehydrated skin. For best results, use it right after cleansing by applying a small amount to a cotton pad and gently sweeping it across your face and neck. This toner can also be used throughout the day to refresh and hydrate your skin whenever needed. Its light texture allows it to be used daily as part of your morning and evening skincare routines. Usability: Muji Light Toning Water has a very light, watery consistency that quickly absorbs into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. It's perfect for layering with other skincare products such as serums and moisturizers. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it won't cause irritation or dryness. The product is easy to dispense from the bottle, and you can control the amount you use for a customized application. Durability: the Muji Light Toning Water provides long-lasting hydration and helps to keep the skin feeling refreshed throughout the day. With consistent use, you'll notice a smoother and more even skin texture, as well as a reduction in dry patches or redness. Its lightweight and soothing nature make it a perfect addition to your skincare routine, ensuring that your skin stays moisturized and balanced over time. One bottle can last for a long time, making it a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-quality skincare product. Coming in at number 3 is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Tatcha is known for its luxurious, high-performance skincare products, and the Dewy Skin Cream is no exception. This rich, moisturizing cream is formulated to provide intense hydration while giving your skin a soft, dewy glow. The cream combines a blend of Japanese superfoods, including rice, algae, and green tea, to nourish the skin and restore its natural radiance. It's designed for dry to normal skin types, offering a boost of hydration and smoothing out rough texture. Key features: Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream contains a combination of powerful ingredients, including Japanese purple rice, which is rich in antioxidants and helps to improve skin elasticity. The formula also includes a blend of algae and green tea, which provide additional anti-aging benefits and protect the skin from environmental damage. The cream is infused with botanical extracts that hydrate the skin while restoring its moisture balance, leaving you with a healthy, glowing complexion. It is free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, making it safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this cream delivers deep hydration while promoting skin radiance and elasticity. It's perfect for anyone with dry or dehydrated skin looking for a richer moisturizer. To use, apply a small amount of cream to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. Massage gently into your skin and allow it to absorb fully. This cream works well both in the morning and evening and can be used under makeup for a dewy finish or as a night treatment for deep nourishment. Usability: Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream has a rich, creamy texture that melts into the skin, leaving it soft and hydrated without feeling greasy. Its luxurious formula makes it ideal for nighttime use or when you need extra hydration during the day. While the cream is hydrating, it doesn't feel heavy or clog pores, making it suitable for most skin types, including those with sensitive skin. A little goes a long way, so you only need a small amount for each application. Durability: the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream provides lasting hydration and a glowing complexion throughout the day or night. The moisturizing benefits last for several hours, and with regular use, your skin will become smoother, plumper, and more radiant. The product's luxurious texture ensures that it keeps the skin hydrated and nourished for longer, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a high-quality moisturizer. Taking our 4th spot is Shu Uemura Cleansing Oil. Shu Uemura Cleansing Oil is a revolutionary product that has earned a reputation as one of the best in the oil cleansing category. Known for its ability to dissolve makeup, dirt, and impurities while maintaining the skin's natural moisture, this cleansing oil is a gentle yet effective cleanser. It is available in various formulations tailored to different skin concerns, such as dry, oily, or combination skin. Its unique oil-based formula works to thoroughly cleanse without stripping the skin or leaving a greasy residue. Key features: this cleansing oil is formulated with a combination of natural plant-based oils, such as olive and green tea extract, which are known for their antioxidant and moisturizing properties. The oil emulsifies when mixed with water, transforming into a milky texture that effectively removes makeup and impurities. The Shu Uemura Cleansing Oil is gentle yet thorough, making it suitable for sensitive skin and safe to use around the eyes. It is also free from harsh chemicals, ensuring it cleanses the skin without causing irritation. Benefits and usage. This cleansing oil effectively removes all traces of makeup, dirt, and sunscreen without drying out the skin. It also hydrates and nourishes while cleansing, ensuring that your skin stays soft and smooth. To use, apply the oil to dry skin, massaging it gently to break down makeup and impurities. Add a little water to emulsify the oil into a milky consistency, and then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. This oil can be used as a first step in your double cleansing routine or as a standalone cleanser. Usability. Shu Uemura Cleansing Oil has a smooth, non-greasy texture that glides effortlessly over the skin, making it easy to apply and rinse off. It's gentle enough to be used daily and doesn't cause any irritation or dryness. Its mild fragrance adds to the luxurious feel, but it doesn't overpower other skincare products or scents. The oil emulsifies easily when mixed with water, ensuring a quick and effective cleanse. Durability. The Shu Uemura Cleansing Oil is highly effective at removing makeup and impurities, and a small amount goes a long way. With consistent use, your skin will feel thoroughly cleansed, nourished, and hydrated. The oil's gentle formula ensures that your skin's moisture balance is preserved, leaving it soft and fresh. The bottle design makes it easy to dispense the right amount of product, and one bottle will last for an extended period of time, making it a great value for money. And finally, at number 5, we have Nameraka Isoflavone Gel. Nameraka Isoflavone Gel is a unique Japanese moisturizer that combines the benefits of soy isoflavones with nourishing ingredients like squalane and hyaluronic acid. This gel has gained a loyal following for its lightweight, hydrating texture and ability to improve skin elasticity. It is designed to target dry, aging, and sensitive skin, offering deep hydration while improving skin texture. This gel works as both a moisturizer and a treatment, making it perfect for those looking for an all-in-one solution. Key features. The key ingredient in this gel is soy isoflavones, which are known for their ability to help restore skin's elasticity and reduce signs of aging. The formula also contains squalane and hyaluronic acid, which provide intense moisture and keep the skin hydrated for hours. The gel has a non-greasy texture and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. It is free from parabens, mineral oils, and artificial fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. The Nameraka Isoflavone Gel deeply hydrates the skin while improving its firmness and elasticity. It is especially effective at addressing dry, aging, and dull skin, making it perfect for those looking for anti-aging skincare. To use, apply a generous amount of gel to your face and neck after cleansing. Gently massage the gel into your skin, and let it absorb fully. It can be used both day and night as a moisturizer or as a mask for an added boost of hydration. Usability. This gel has a smooth, non-sticky texture that glides easily onto the skin, providing instant hydration. Its lightweight consistency makes it suitable for daily use, even for those with oily skin. The gel is absorbed quickly, leaving no residue behind, and works well under makeup. It's also versatile enough to be used as a mask by applying a thick layer and leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes before gently massaging in the excess. Durability. The Nameraka Isoflavone Gel provides long-lasting hydration, ensuring your skin stays moisturized throughout the day. With regular use, you'll notice smoother, plumper skin with improved elasticity. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin, and its lightweight texture ensures it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. The product's pump dispenser makes it easy to control the amount of product used, and one bottle can last for a significant amount of time. These 5J Beauty products showcase the best that Japanese skincare has to offer, blending natural ingredients with advanced skincare technology for effective, long-lasting results. Whether you're looking to hydrate, brighten, or reduce the signs of aging, these products are designed to deliver results that leave your skin feeling nourished and revitalized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews.